Okay, how's it going, folks? It's me again, your boy Tabo, and welcome back to another lesson on NodeJS for beginners. Today's lesson is going to be on custom modules and the events module. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so I'm gonna let me open this over here, get rid of that, save. Okay, so I'm gonna create a file here. Well, I've already created it. It's called fake module. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna create a class. Okay, so I'm gonna create a class and I'll call this class person, and then I'll say I'll say constructor. So in the constructor I'll include name, and I'll say let's just say surname and age. All right, okay, so here and inside the constructor then we'll say this dot name equals name, this dot surname equals surname. Okay, I'm sorry. Can say this dot age equals age. There we go. So now we've got our person. So if you want to make this into a module that you can require or export into any particular file that you're working on, then this is how you go about it. You say module dot exports equals person. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm gonna go here to my to this file, and here I'm gonna say const person. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna then require this file, and this is how you would require. So const person equals to require, and how you would require it to say a period slash and then person. Now it depends on where this file is. If it's in the same directory, then you can get it this way, but other than if not, then it's not gonna work. Okay, so cool. So that's basically how that works. Oh no, actually I'm mistaken. It's supposed to be fake module. Yeah. Okay, otherwise if it was person, then it would not know who the heck person is. Okay, so let's log that, slug person, see what we get. Node lesson 4. Okay, so we get class person. Okay, say person. Here I'm just gonna then create a new instance of person. I'll say person equals new person, and then here I will say Tabo Modise. What the hell? Say Tabo Modise, and I'll say okay, age I'll say 50. Okay, so now we're gonna log that. I'll say person dot name. Okay, let's run that. There we go, we get Tabo. Well, I hope this is visible. And you make it a bit bigger. Okay, so that should be big enough. So there we go. So we've got Tabo over there. I can say surname, but I guess by now you should get the point. Okay, there we go, Modise. All right, I can also add a method, and I'll call the method profile. So profile. Okay, so in here I'll say return. Okay, I'll say return this dot name. This dot surname. That's this dot age. Okay. And then I'll say my name is, and I am old. Okay, so let's go back. Well, I don't actually have to go back anywhere. Oh well, I do have to go back. Okay, so here we'll say then person.profile. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, so there we go. My name is Thabo Modise and I am 50 years old. Okay, so now that all of that is done, so this is how you would create a module. And another way that you can create a module is you can go about it this way. Basically, let me just close all of that. I can create here a function. I'll say const name, and yes, this will call a name. Well, it will return a name. Okay, and then I'll say name, and then it will just return whatever you give it. Okay, whatever name you give it. So that's the first one, and I'll copy that. Do the same thing here. Surname, it will take whatever surname you give it. And then let's get another one, and we'll say age. So it will return whatever age you give it. Okay, so we could also export these this way. I could say module dot exports. Sorry, module dot exports, and then I'll say dot name equals to name. Okay, and then I'll say once again, I'll just copy this just to make things quick, and then I'll just change that to surname. Okay, and then we get another one, then we'll just change that to age. Okay, so now we've got these individually. Okay, so what I can do here is I can come over here, and then I can just let me comment this out once again. Okay, so now I'm gonna say const, and then I'll say fake module equals require fake module. Okay, so let's log what fake module gives us. So okay, so if you run that baby over there, then you see, so basically I get a class with all of the different modules. So if I wanted to create one individually, or what I could also do is, this is also another thing that you could do, is I could then also deconstruct and say name. And so over here, this should give me just the individual function that I created. Okay, it's clear. See, I get the function name. And then I could do this with all the different functions. And then I will, what's age? Sure. So now that I've got that, I can just log them all, and yeah, surname and then age. There you go. So now you've got them separately. Okay, so if I want to use them, I can just say age 27. Okay, so let's see what that gives us. See, I've got 27 here, and I could just say surname, what do you say? Sorry, I could just say Tabo. So there we go. So now I've got Tabo Modise 27. It could be whatever name that I give it, and it will return that to me. Okay, so this is one way that you can do it. Well, this is another way that you can do it. Okay, or you can just basically export the whole class or object, depends on how you've created it. So okay, now that we've got that, also another way, it's just another variation. You could also just say module dot exports equals to, and then you just make a class, and then I could just say name surname age. Okay, so what's gonna happen, it's just gonna basically export this as a class. Okay, so if I just say once again, fake module, let's get rid of that, run it. Once again, we've got that as a class, a fake module dot name, I'll say John. Let's run that. There we go, we've got John. So yeah, these are the different ways that you can go about it. So yeah, I hope that was enlightening enough for you guys. So yeah, up until the next one, I'm just gonna keep it simple and leave it here. So love and peace, my brothers and sisters. Till the next one, I'm out.